Did you know that you have multiple ways to create a text message? Number 1, straight typing. All right, everybody knows that. Number 2, use Siri for a great hands-free option. I'll demo this. Text Connie.
What do you want to say?
Hey, let's meet for coffee.
Your message to Connie says, hey, let's meet for coffee. Ready to send it?
All right, that's cool. Number 3, voice text. You can record your voice. Find the little record button, press and hold, and just speak into it. Hey, let's meet for coffee. Once you're done, you can either delete it or there's a send button. Number 4, speech to text. You will find on your keyboard a little microphone. Click that. Hey, want to go for coffee? And then you can press the send button. Number 5, how about a nice personal handwritten message? I'm digging this one. Great for a personal touch, or maybe you need to draw something to make your point, such as giving someone directions to your house. Turn your phone sideways, and down in the bottom you'll have a handwriting icon. Press that. Here's your screen, and once you write on here, there'll be an arrow to expand your handwriting area, and again, you can draw lots of things on here. When you're done, you can see that it fills up quite a bit of that screen and it's easily readable. I love this one. Why don't you give each of these a try? They're sure useful in different situations.